Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in allowing your followers to stitch your videos in TikTok? In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable followers to stitch your content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions category and tap on Stitch. Step 7. Once in the Stitch settings, tap on Stitch again to access the detailed options. Here, select Followers to allow your followers to stitch your videos. Please note that in order for this feature to work, ensure that your TikTok account is set to public. If it's currently set to private, you'll need to switch it to public to enable followers to stitch your content. By following these simple steps, you can give your followers the opportunity to stitch your videos, fostering creativity and collaboration on TikTok. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the collaborative experience on TikTok.